Welcome. Today we are continuing with paper 2, question 4. Question 4a, identify 8 characteristics of love as taught by St. Paul in 1 Corinthians chapter 13. Love is patient, it is kind, it is not jealous, love is not arrogant, love is not irritable, love bears all things, love endures, love does not insist on its own way, love trusts all things, love never ends. Question 4b, explain the unity of believers as expressed in the concept of the church. This is found in Ephesians chapter 5, verse 21 to 32. Paul used the symbol of marriage to show the unity of believers. Christians are united to Christ just as a husband is united to his wife. Christ loves the church just as the husband loves the wife. The church has to submit to Christ just as the wife submits to the husband. Christ is the head of the church just as the husband is the head of the wife. Just as the husband loves his own wife body and nourishes it, so Christ loves the church and nourishes it. Question 4c, identify 7 factors that hinder effective cooperation among Christians in Kenya today. Greed for power, leadership wrangles, competition to win more converts, desire to have more, discriminations, political interference, different interpretation of the Bible, idol worship, lack of funds, poor infrastructure, and lack of money. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know what video we can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.